one was sent in via email, and the question is, do volcanic eruptions cause a net global warming or global cooling? Why or why not, I guess?
Yeah, that's a great question, and I'll start to answer it just by pulling up a sweet picture of a volcano so I can talk about it there. There's a cool picture of a volcano on my screen that we can look at. This actually sort of relates to the question of global warming. There's a belief that, well, in any case, let me just start like this. So volcanic eruptions, one of the major things they release, they vaporize tons and tons of different substances, but one of the major things released is going to be carbon dioxide gas. And so I was going to say that this relates a little bit to the question of global warming and to past climate cycles. So the presence, the increase of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is something that leads to increased temperatures through something called the greenhouse effect. So this is something I've talked about on other shows, and it comes up quite a lot when talking about science today. So it's just simply the idea that carbon dioxide gas, along with a number of other gases, are called greenhouse gases because they create sort of a thicker atmospheric layer that helps to reflect infrared light that enters our atmosphere from the sun. So in a way, CO2 gas sort of acts like a blanket around the Earth. It helps to keep heat in. And since volcanoes release CO2 gas as they erupt, there's a correlation between lots of volcano eruptions and an increase in Earth's temperature. There's a spike in temperature looking at Earth's history around the same time that the dinosaurs went extinct. And this is believed to be because there's a general consensus today that there was a giant meteor strike that helped contribute to the collapse of the dinosaurs. And one of the things that's sort of associated with that is it's believed that while the meteor would have hit one side of the Earth, sort of like if you hit your head in a football game and get a concussion, the part of your head that makes the impact is usually the opposite side that gets the concussion. So in the case of the meteor that hit the Earth when the dinosaurs went extinct, the meteor would have hit the Earth, and on the opposite side of the Earth, because of the shockwave effect, we would have had volcanoes exploding, and those would have released a large amount of CO2 gas because so many volcanoes exploded or erupted, and that would have spiked temperature a little bit.
Subscribe! Come on, push the button.
You know you want to.
Do it.